Hello there and welcome to Cameron's Camera. Today we're going to fit a part to the BMW GS of mine, and it's you most likely have seen them if you've driven the BMWs. It's the headlight covers. This you can buy an expensive one that's out this now, or you can go for Mr. AliExpress. Well, it's actually a friend of mine who gave me one as a present, and I'll let you see it. So here we are, all the way from China. So let's open up and see what we have. So here we are with the parts. We've got 4 different colours. We have a kind of amber, yellow, lime and a smoke, they call this one. And we've also got the cover as well that goes over. You have to just scrape because there's a slight film, just the very edges there, to get the protective film cover off as well. And we have our instructions here, and seems enough, it says 15 minutes to install, so you can time me, but I will cut the video to fit. And here we are. So we'll take off the cover, and we have to use the original screws to put it back on, and when we take off the cover they say there's a small lip to pick off. So anyway, let's go ahead and start. So my BMW has a cover on it, which we have already. So to remove this, I just pull this off quite simply, and off that comes. Now we have 4 screws to take off, and it's a torque, and it's a torque T10 to take these screws off. So here's the screws that come out. That's the size of them. Okay, I put a bit of paper around here because there's a few gaps just in case, because these aren't magnetic. So if you put the paper, just in case they slip, you don't want them falling down the holes down in here. So then we proceed to take this cover off. Now it says on it, there's a wee clip here. Just, can you see that there? Just here. You might, when you edge it, what to do is sometimes you've got to edge it forward and put maybe a screwdriver just to press that down to release this, and that's that. First of all, we have to decide which colour goes. I actually put on the GS website that I'm in, asking if there's any colours that are banned. So right at this particular moment no one's answered, so I'm going to go with the yellow or the amber. So I thought I'm going to go with the amber. I've seen a lot of people with the amber one on. When you're fitting the colour, I went for this kind of lime green colour. These are got protected cover on too, so again just use a wee Stanley knife, real hard to get, and then just pull off the cover like so before you're fitting. Okay. Covers that I've took off, and one's a BMW and one's an AliExpress. Okay, and I'm just going to show you closely here the markings on both of them. Identical, and the quality on them is very firm, and that's on both of them. I mean, this one here is slightly deeper. This is the AliExpress one, but look at the markings. I mean, if I sit them on top of each other, look, identical. Well, I found to my expense and time something that I never checked was, I put this in, started putting the screws in, and then I realised the top 2 weren't aligned, and so I took this back out, and I had this on the wrong way. So make sure when you're putting on the clear one, you put it on so the holes all align up first before you start proceeding to doing the screwing. So what I've done here is I'm putting a screw down at the bottom and a screw up at the top. Don't tighten these down until you've got them all in place. That way, having one here and one there makes all your holes all squared up in the rest. So So there it is, fitted on. It looks the part, doesn't it? The only problem I say is it needs a wee film of silicone around it at the very edge and the inside, very inside here, just to stop. There's a wee, you can see the gaps. I don't know, you can maybe see. Anyway, just to stop the condensation getting through. As I said, the quality, it's good. That's the only problem I've got, and it seems fine. Make sure when you're screwing down, you go around them a couple of times just to make sure the plastic's all sitting firmly in, because sometimes I thought it was screwed down when I went to the other end for the top of the bottom, side to side. Sometimes they actually needed a wee bit more movement in it, so to push it down, not too tight that you crack it, but hey, job done. Well, hope this has been good to you. If you like me, subscribe me. I hope to make a lot more videos now that I've actually retired. So please keep watching Cameron's Camera. Thank you very much. Until the next time. Bye for now.